Where does the light come from? Have you ever thought why you can't see in the dark? The answer seems simple because there is no light. Does the light come from our eyes or the objects which we see? Good morning, children. Please open your books. Suppose you close your eyes. Can you see the book? Of course not, sir. It is not possible. Can you tell why? We don't know, sir. Let me tell you what someone said the other day. When I close my eyes, I can't read the book. Is this explanation correct? Sir, it doesn't seem to be right. Why? Because we can't read when it is dark, though our eyes may be open. Yes, the right explanation is that you can't see the book because light from the book cannot enter your eyes. Sir, do you mean that light really comes from the book? Yes, it does. We can see objects only when there is light. When light falls on any object, it bounces off in all directions. You can see any object when light from that object enters your eyes. Sir, it means that when we look at a page of our book, some of the light which falls on the page bounces off to our eyes and we see the page. That is right. But some of the things we see give off light of their own, such as the sun, the stars, a lighted electric lamp. They are called luminous bodies. Sir, what about the moon? The moon is not luminous. It does not give off any light of its own. We see it because the sunlight that strikes it is reflected towards us. Sir, some materials are called transparent. What type of materials are they? Light passes through some materials and we can see clearly through them. Such materials are called transparent. For example, some glasses, water and air are also transparent. Sir, there are some materials which do not let light pass through them at all. What are such materials called? Yes, such materials are called opaque. Wood, rock, steel, cardboard are examples of opaque materials. Opaque materials cast shadows when light falls on them. Our body is also opaque. Sir, is there any relation between light and colors? Oh, yes. Whatever colors you see around are only due to light. Do you know sunlight consists of 7 colors that we see in a rainbow? When sunlight falls on the leaves of a tree, they absorb light of all colors except green. Green light bounces off from the leaves in all directions and they appear green to us when light reaches our eyes.